Today we're going to be putting on a data plate in the engine compartment of my E-Ray.
Hello everyone, I'm Donna Marie and you're watching the Corvette channel.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and today we are going to be doing a new data plate on my Corvette. This one, you've probably seen my other video before from Pixel Auto Works, and they made me a data plate for my 2023 car. And these things hold up so well. They're made out of an aluminum. They put all of this wonderful information here on about the car. You know, you can have your name on there, all of the VIN number or the build date, all of the different colors and the interior color and exterior colors. You can pick all of these different silhouettes, whether you have a convertible or a coupe, whether it's a white car or a red car. You can pick all of those different colors and to make it just exactly yours, okay? And I had mine on my car for about 2 years, on my 23, and it still looked exactly the same. It never faded. It was able to handle the heat, no problem. It looked beautiful. And so when I reached out to the guys over at Pixel, they decided, hey, we're gonna send you another one and we're gonna have you tell everybody about it. So I'm doing just that, okay? These are really, really awesome. They're cool, especially if you take your car to the car show, if you're dolling up the engine compartment. You can't beat it. You're gonna want to get one of these. And the thing is, they're super inexpensive. And I'm gonna put it up here on the screen. I'll put all of their information up there anyway, but you'll be able to use the word Corvette to be able to get yourself another discount on top of that, okay? So anyway, it's really, really something. It's not a must-have, but it's something you just gotta have. So anyway, guys, we're gonna jump into the video now, and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's super, super simple. This is going to be a real simple installation. Let me show you this though, the back side. It doesn't come with any sticky tape or Velcro, but you could do either one. Okay, I've elected to do sticky tape on it. I did this off camera. As those of you that watch me, I seem to be sticky tape challenged, so I did this off camera. So hopefully I won't have a problem peeling it. It seems like I always do. I don't know why. But anyway, we're going to jump into the video now and we'll show you how it's done.
Save $10,500 off MSRP every new Silverado 5.3 liter at Elk Grove Chevy.
And Elk Grove Chevy has a huge selection. Now that's big, huge. See them all at MadeAChevy.com. Together, let's drive.
All right, guys. Well, we got the camera in the engine compartment, and I'm gonna stand behind the tripod or behind the camera, and this way you can get a bird's eye view here. But I've already peeled my sticky tape. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to eyeball this. So I'm going to look to see, and I got to kind of stick my head around the posts here just to make sure that I'm not hitting the camera. But I'm gonna get that. I'm pushing it right up against the back part here where the rubber goes, and then I am just making sure that it is centered. And then what I'm going to do is just kind of set it there. I'm not going to push it down. And I'm going to look at that and go, yep or no. And that looks pretty close. It's pretty darn close there. So if it's not, you can peel it back up a little bit because you haven't bonded it down yet. Just like that. And I can scoot it over just a hair. Just kind of let it sit. And that looks pretty good to me. So once you get it exactly where you want it, you just go ahead and you stick it down. Just like that. Okay. I told you it's pretty simple, right? So you just saw how easy it was to install one of these data plates, and they just look awesome. So like I said, if you use the word Corvette when you're checking out, go to their website. It's pixelautoworks.com. Select the one that you want. Now they have this for all bunch of different cars as well as all the different Corvettes. So this discount code will work on all of them. So if you've got a Dodge or you got a Ford or whatever, you can use that too. But they have, I think for every year, the data plate for every year, and whether it's a coupe or a convertible, and you can put in all of your information there, and it only takes a few days. They are really on it. They're just top notch. And like I said, you use that word Corvette, get yourself another discount, okay? So guys, thank you again for watching. I really appreciate you guys supporting me, supporting the channel, watching. If you guys have not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you'll be alerted of all of our next uploads. And guys, until we do another one, we'll catch you later.